Hi everyone. Today we'll be taking a look at a best UP26M under cabinet wall hood. The example that I have here in front of you today is a 30-inch model. And what I'm going to be showing you is how to get up into this nose area, this front panel. Let's just say if you had a switch that went bad, and how you would go about getting up in there. The first thing you always want to do is make sure that the power is turned off to the unit. Anytime you're inside cleaning or servicing, always a good idea, turn the power off. The first thing you would do is, if the light switch or the fan switch would go bad, first thing you would do is you would take this knob off. You would do so by using an Allen key. And you would take that Allen key, there's a hole. If you look around the perimeter of the knob, you'll find a hole. And you would stick that inside and you would loosen this unit up. There's a little screw that you would loosen. And the knob would slide off like that. Next thing you would do is you would take the grease filters out of the unit. On the UP26M is, granted this is sitting on the table, was mounted, you'd grab hold of the handle, pull it towards you, and drop the back out. There's a spring up in the front. Next, what you would do to remove this front panel, there's going to be 4 screws. There's one inside this filter channel, one on the left, one on the right, and then we have one on the right here and one on the left here. So 4 screws. So I'm going to go ahead and get these screws taken out. So we got one on the left off. Taking one out on the right. And one more. And that light panel would come down, and now it would give you access to the top of the unit. So what you would do is, if this switch was bad, now that we have the knob off, there's a little nut on the inside. You would take that nut off, and this switch would pull off from the back side here. And what you would do is you'd order a new switch from Best, and just reinstall it back in there. Same thing with the light housings. If you ever have to replace the light housings, these are quick connects. Just unsnap them. The light housing just pulls out like so, and it would come right out. So I hope this video helps. Thanks.